Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxings and walkthrough of the Charmast 10,400 mAh power bank. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You'll be notified of when we do product unboxings, reviews, and also some travel content. Right then, so this is a power bank which you can purchase on Amazon as well as from Charmast's own website. The packaging looks pretty simple in that it is a simple cardboard box covered in plastic, which we've just taken off. And the packaging is very straightforward. It gives you an idea of what the product is. On the back there's some details about the model number, but little other else. Oh, and a black sticker. I'm assuming that means that this is a black power bank. Now, one of the reasons this product caught my eye is that it is a power delivery power bank. That means that it can deliver up to 18 watts output. Now, very nicely, it comes in one of those soft mesh bags. And on the inside a small plastic bag, you have the power bank itself. It is very, very nice and small, and it handles well. It is a bit chunky, but on the back you can see it says that it's a 10,400 mAh battery. It has all the details there, and the key feature here is that it can output 5 to 6 volts at 3 amp. Or 6 to 9 volts at 2 amps, or 9 to 12 volts at 1.5 amps. That means that it is an 18 watt output. You could use this to charge something such as a laptop or an iPad. Right, so the sides are smooth, there's nothing to report. There's a power button there. On the front you'll see there is the lights that indicate the level of charge. So this comes out of the box with 3/4 charge, and at the top it has 2 outputs. Now these are orange USB-A outputs. That means that they're QuickCharge, Qualcomm QuickCharge certified, as in they will charge Qualcomm devices fast. And then there's an input in micro USB and a dual in or output, which is Type-C. So if you have, say, a newer iPhone, or you have a device that has Type-C to Type-C cable, you can use this to charge that quickly. Now, as I said, it is nice and small, very, very handleable. Let's compare this to another device that I have here. Let's say the Oppo Reno 2 that I just happen to have sitting next to me on the desk. So this is the Oppo Reno 2. So this is the size of the smartphone, and that is the Charmast power bank next to it. You can see there is a significantly different size there. And the Oppo Reno 2 is also a VOOC device. It does the Oppo's fast charging. But this 10,000 mAh power bank should charge the Oppo Reno 2 a couple of times quite comfortably. Now let's see what else is in the box. So inside the box you'll also have a USB-A to micro USB cable. That's for charging micro USB devices, but you can also use this to charge the power bank itself. And there is also a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So we'll be trying this out in a moment. Let's see what else there is. There's a QA passed leaflet. Someone has done QA on the packaging here. There is also a thanks for choosing Charmast leaflet. And if you have any problems, they say to get in touch with them. And the user manual. It's fairly straightforward. It gives you clear understanding of what all the main features are. It even has a Charmast logo. It must be good. And you'll see all the ports we've just looked at. And yes, they are USB QuickCharge 3, Qualcomm's QuickCharge ports. And the same instructions are repeated in multiple languages, including Spanish, Italian, French, and so on. But let's look at the Charmast power bank and try it out with the Oppo Reno 2. I'm just going to clear my notifications. So the Charmast power bank, as I said, very, very handleable. It handles very well. It's nice and relatively light, but big capacity for a small charger. And I'm going to plug this in and we'll see what type of charging we get out of it. So immediately it turns on and you can see the Oppo Reno 2 is charging from the Charmast power bank. That is pretty fast. Now that's great. We see that it does work USB Type-C, and this is charging the Oppo Reno 2. Let's try another device. Let's say, for example, a Xiaomi Mi 9T. I'll just pause this a moment whilst we get the Xiaomi Mi 9T. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, here we are with the Xiaomi Mi 9T. We're going to plug this in and we'll see if it charges. Yes, it does. What we're also going to do is unlock it and double check. You see in the top corner here it's got 2 flash signs, which means it is quick charging. That's over USB Type-C. And if you look at the power bank itself when it is quick charging, do we get that? You can see that, let's put that in properly. So it's charging and you can see the light is on, indicating the capacity of the battery. So that's a quick walkthrough of the Charmast power bank, which I quite like. This is a really handy size. If we look at it here in context next to the Xiaomi Mi 9T and also next to the Oppo Reno 2, the Charmast power bank is chunky, but it is surprisingly small. And it outputs at a decent rate. You can get USB Type-C for power delivery, as well as standard Qualcomm QuickCharge from USB Type-A. And as well as that, it comes with a very handy mesh case. You can pop your cable in as well. And let's put the other one in. So 10,400 milliamp hour, as I said, even if you're using QuickCharge or power delivery for, say, a Pixel or another device, should charge your smartphone a couple of times quite comfortably. So that's a quick walkthrough of the Charmast Type-C power delivery 18-watt power bank. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. And if you liked it, drop us a like or let us know what you think in the comments. But for now, that's our walkthrough of the Charmast power bank. Thanks for watching and goodbye from us.